Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll help you to decide which Bluehost plan is best for you to start a blog in 2025. So if you are planning to start your blogging journey in 2025, then I'll say that this is the best time to buy a hosting plan because right now the Black Friday sales are going on and all the web hosting companies are giving some massive discounts. So you can see that I am in the Bluehost official website and they are offering some great discount. So what you need to do, just check the video description where I have mentioned the special promotional link. Click the link and you'll be able to visit this page where I'll show you how you can maximize Bluehost Black Friday deal and which Bluehost plan you should pick as per your blogging plan. Now, as soon as you come to this page, simply click on Get Started button and it will take you to this page. Now, here you can see there are 4 different types of plans. Now, just let me give you a basic understanding of these 4 plans. First one is the basic plan, which is having around 75% discount, $1.99 per month. Second one is the Choice Plus plan. Third is the online store, and the fourth is the Pro plan. Now, if you compare the features, the first plan is designed for those bloggers who are completely beginners. Okay, so if you are a new blogger, if you are planning to start your first website or first blog, then I would recommend you to start with this basic plan because it has 10 websites, 10 GB of storage, 100 concurrent visitors, 40k traffic it can handle, and also it will provide you a free domain name. So you can compare or pause the video and compare all the features here, that's fine. But for a beginner, 10 website limit is more than enough. You can actually host 10 different websites on this Bluehost plan. So that is a huge thing. As a beginner, we will be struggling to create one of website or maximum 1 to 2 website. Okay, so you can just simply focus on creating your website building right content and buy this cheap Bluehost plan so that you can save huge amount of money. Now, if you are a seasonal blogger or if you are an experienced blogger and you have multiple websites or you want to create multiple websites, then you can go for the Choice Plus plan. This plan is actually good, and right now during the Black Friday sale, it is giving around 81% discount. You can see that only $2.65 per month. Now, if you compare both the plan, just paying hardly around $65 or $66.66 per month, you can actually get a limit of 50 websites, 50 GB storage, in fact 200k visitor per month. So if you have the budget and if you have a plan to create multiple websites, then definitely I would recommend you to go with the Choice Plus plan. Okay, now these days micro niche website or single topic, single keyword websites are very popular. If you know how to create them, then definitely you can go for this plan and you can make sure multiple websites you can create because it has the capacity of hosting 50 websites. Third plan is the online store. This is specially for e-commerce website. You can see that if you are planning to start an e-commerce website and you're looking for a shared hosting plan from Bluehost, then you can choose this online store plan. You can read the details. The details are almost, I'll say, the similar with the Choice Plus plan only. Okay, and the Pro plan is something like it has like even more resources. Okay, so it is around $10 per month. So I would not recommend this plan. So if your website is getting more traffic, then I would not recommend you to go with the shared hosting plans like Bluehost. You can go further with much more capable hosting. Like you can go with either cloud storage hosting or maybe you can go with Nexus hosting. You can go with WPX hosting because those are specially designed for high traffic websites. Bluehost or Hostinger, these kind of web hosting companies are actually good for beginners with a limitation. Okay, with a limitation that you have to that you need to keep in your mind. Okay, so now let's say I want to go with the Choice Plus plan. So how much it will cost during this Black Friday sale? So for that what I need to do, I will simply click on choose plan and then it will ask me to find out a domain name. Now with any Bluehost plan, you can actually get a free domain name. Okay, so just research your domain name and buy the .com domain name, and that domain name will be free for the first year. From next year onward, you have to pay the domain renewal charges. Okay, so right now I can skip that step. So you can see that almost $216 plan is available right now at only $32. So that's the beauty of Bluehost Black Friday sale. So if you want to utilize the Bluehost Black Friday sale, definitely you must choose the suitable Bluehost plan and save as much as possible. So what you can do right now, just check the video description and click the special Bluehost promotional link and visit the official website and choose the plan as per your. So I hope I'm able to explain which Bluehost plan is best for you properly. If you have still any doubt, then feel free to write a comment below. I'll definitely reply and help you. If you find this video useful, please like this video. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.